Hello, folks at Mitchell. I'm making a little video today about our shop Negro. Everybody needs a little Negro at the shop. We got our shop Negro named Dog Dick. In Trailer Park's a little buddy named Knob. Yep, this one's about Knob and Dog Dick. He's our buddy.
Yeah. Knob and Dog Dick.
Yeah, here we go. Get some love, Knob.
We'll get a little love around
Yeah, get some love. Put your tongue into these. Put your tongue into these. That's nasty, boy. You a faggot. Damn sure is a faggot.
They got a Jake Payne. He taught us all.
I ain't taught him nothing. Don't believe it. This is my Negro dog, Dick. Love him.
We're down here. They call him over. We're real watching straight. It don't make no damn sense. Yeah, that much smoke. Okay, scratch it. Keep scratching the shit. That's too much damn smoke. Damn cat back. I know now it's tripping. Blow off the gas line. All right, now turn it back to me and Jake. Miss Jack, come here. Anyway, I came down to my stepdad's shop, Paul's parents' shop, and over there arguing with Trailer New, and he tried to come up there, and he hurt me real bad, and don't feel good. And you know, when trailers cut people, we retaliate. So you know what? I'm going to get a trailer up tonight around about 11 o'clock. And that really hurts. It fucking hurts, man. Don't make no damn sense. I'm going to call something on my side. They're going to be on my side. Don't make no sense of trailers to cut niggas.
Say the N-word, dog.
Nigger, goddamn that nigger cut me. Don't make no damn sense. Look, that hurt. This is fucking blood. That's he's the one that did it. That's the one that did it. That's the fucker that did it.
You ought to be ashamed.
He's showing it. He's still doing it. Look at this black ass man. He's black too. He's a nigga. And he's black as hell. And he cut me. That nigga cut me.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
You ought to be ashamed. And it don't make no sense. Sorry, son of a bitch. Damn bastard. The nigga cut me in the trailer park.
Yeah, we're doing this though.
No, I wasn't fucking doing that. The nigga cut me. That trailer.
Going to court on that.
Look, I'm making this right. Uh-oh.
Well,
Here come Knob.
Here come Knob. Yeah, he cut my hand.
This is Trailer boyfriend right here, Knob.
That's his lover. That's his lover. And the trailer cut me.
Yeah, give him some love, Knob. Put your tongue into
The
there.
nigga here was playing with knife and cut his own damn self. I wouldn't do that like that. You would. No, I wouldn't. A nigga wouldn't do that. We'd shoot your ass and take your damn food stamp.
you do that, try blaming the wife for a truck.
Wait, let me squeeze some more blood out.
Yeah.
He didn't mean to do it.
I showed him a knife. And before I could pull back on his way from him, it went.
Everybody wants to cut a nigga. And yeah.
Before that, he rubbed his hair across the blade.
What? Cut a nigga. Everybody wants to cut a nigga. I'm trying to cut my finger off. And I don't know why. It's just a victim of crime. It used to be black on black, now it's trailer on black. My name is Chris Haley. I can't get my granddaddy checkbook. I want all the money.
Plan on checking out this video. Tell me who this is. It's worth $100,000. The FBI want him. Don't he look familiar? Seems like I ought to know him. Yep. I think he's from Missouri. Seems like I know him from somewhere. Oh, y'all seen that before. Cut that out and put it on the wall. I put some more stuff on the wall up in here. This is our friend. There goes our buddy, dog. Here's our customer of the month. See that? That's what you're looking for when you fix a car. Right there, right there. Here goes a picture I took of the police chase we had on Thanksgiving Day. The city police is the white cars. They run the car so hard they had to raise the hood up. The cars had the tongue hung out. This is what they was after. Yep. Unborn. They're having a driver's meeting. See that? This is our little bulletin board. Put stuff on the walls and tape. Here goes my trailer, miss. I ain't never gonna see it again. Need to give it up. Alright. Here goes my assistant. About everything you need to tear a car up is right here. Yep. Everything you need to tear a car up. Got it all right there. This right here is a good thing to have. Titanium. That joker right there will get her done. Snap on right there. Y'all making too much racket. I'm trying to do a video over here. Hey, he's up on that racket. Trying to show people my Ranger.
Right.
Yeah, Ranger. Get back, Knob.
Got Matco here.
Yeah, I got Matco represented right here. Yeah. Snippet, whoever that is. CP.
Got the good speed handle.
Snap on, speed handle. Everything you need. Yep. Funnel. Air conditioner.
We got a long ass screwdriver. I know we can get
Yeah. Put it back, Knob. Yeah, sure do.
And then
Any arm.
and this right here.
Yeah. Talk to him, brother.
That's motherfucking spaghetti arm. Goddamn speed though. You gotta dig real deep. Always to the bottom.
Yeah.
Like a piece of cushion. Always to the bottom.
What about that fucker that was just in here?
He's retarded, motherfucker.
What you gonna do to him?
Slide his ass.
Go slide it.
You got the boss man out there now. He finna.
Yeah, got the boss man out there talking to him now.
Yeah.
You gonna slide it?
Slide his ass. Slide his goddamn drink.
What you trying to get to down in that fella?
We're trying to get to these wires. See here? This is where the kicking, the cutter kicking. See here? See? You gotta have a good set. You can't have no motherfucking Dollar Tree shit. See that? What Dollar Tree shit does? Take a while to cut it.
That's got them little first shredder O'Reilly knives. They ain't working down.
What's going on, fella?
Then you gotta come back over here and find your down wire again and pull it out.
What's wrong, fella? It's just a Cadillac.
Your damn Cadillac.
Ain't no big deal.
Then
Just,
you measure your wire to make sure you got the right side.
yeah. We're gonna go out there and slide that boy. Let's go slide it.
Just leave it right now.
Man,
Don't do anything. Just leave it.
you about ready to slide it.
Slide it.
You're retarded, ain't you? That's what I'm talking about, retarded. Oh yeah, here goes my computer. Check this out. Is that a desktop or what?